Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, fine. Others are joining. Let's wait for 2 more minutes. Get ready with your notebooks, Nana.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. I am Lasya.
Course books also just put in front of you. Later on, after having a discussion regarding these Roman numerals, I'll be telling you the work from course book. Got it? Last year, you are in the journey. Even after that, you are listening to the classes. So nice. Can you hear clearly? Good. Okay, let's start the class. Previously, on Saturday, we have learned about Roman numerals, right? So let us write some notes part regarding these rules and regulations which we are going to use while applying the Roman numbers. Okay? Take down. Take a fresh page. Put today's date. Yeah, ma'am. No problem. Mom, which one? Ah, thanks. Okay, okay. Hello, children. Can you hear me? Anit? Anit, I just unmute yourself once. I just want to check whether you people can hear me or not. Ashank.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am, I can hear you.
Okay, Nana. Mute now once again. Let me explain you this point, children. Putting a letter after a bigger value means you added. See, always a bigger value will come first before than the smaller values. Here, L is a bigger value and the value of L is what? 50. After 50, I have placed here X. I have placed here X. That means what? Here, you are adding it. Got it? The value of L is how much? 50 plus X value is how much? 10. And again X value is 10. V value is 5. Here, everything I am going to add here. And you observe one thing, children. One after the other, you are getting, if you compare those values, they are smaller numbers. Right side values are smaller values, right? So let us add this. How much you are going to get? 75. So the value of LXXB is how much? It's 75. Take down only 1 minute I'll give and I'll go to next page. Make it fast. Now let me go to the next page. Means you people can continue in the same page itself, children. Next point. Putting a letter before a bigger value means you subtract it. For example, XC. See, if you find the value of this one, how much it is? It is 100, right? And the value of this one is how much? X is how much? 10, right? But a smaller value has been placed left of this bigger value. That means what? We have to subtract the smaller value from the bigger value. The value of X is how much? C is how much? It's 100, and we are subtracting 10 from it. So the value of XC is how much? It's 90. Let us take one more example. I have taken XCIX. Here, if you observe this X, C and IX, in between this C lies in between X and IX, right? Left of C is X and right of C is IX. So here, first what is the thing we have to do? We have to find out the difference of these two, and then later on we have to add this value which is placed right side to it. Got it? Let us check now. What is the value of C? First you have to take the value of the bigger one, bigger Roman numeral. It is 100. We are subtracting 10 from it first. Then see, keep it aside and put a plus symbol for the right side value. There actually we already know that it's 9, but actually how it will come? You have to subtract 1 from 10, right? So the answer will be 100 minus 10 is how much? 90 plus, now no need of brackets. For separating part, we have shown with the brackets there, but after simplification, no need of using the brackets here. 10 minus 1 is 9. 90 plus 9 is how much? It's 99. So the value of XCIX is how much? It's 99. Take down. One more minute I'll give you. Make it fast. Putting a letter before a bigger value means you subtract it. Means the smaller value exists left of the bigger value. Then what you have to do? You have to subtract that smaller value from the bigger value. Next. A letter can be repeated up to a maximum of 3 times only. That means what? Any of the Roman letter if you take, any of the Roman letter you take, you have to repeat that for only 3 times. You can repeat it for 2 times or you can repeat it for 3 times, but not more than that. Okay, it should not be repeated more than 3 times. Let us see one example here. I have taken C, C, C. So the value of this is how much? It's 100. See, when a Roman letter is going to repeat, then you have to think that it is under addition. You have to add those repeated values. 100 plus 100 plus 100 gives you 300. Next. See, all of you remember this point very carefully, children. A lower value is placed only once to the left of a bigger value. What does it mean? When you are subtracting, yes, Ritvik, any doubt?
Ma'am, I can't see anything, ma'am.
You can't see anything.
No, ma'am, it is totally black.
Screen is not appearing. Black, huh? It is black. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
I'll confirm from others also once again. Azmina, can you hear me? Vishrut, can you see Nana? Vishrut,
Ma'am.
can you see?
I can see, ma'am.
Then change the display part in your device, Ritvik.
What?
You change your display once. Increase the display in your screen in your device. Once try like that. Your device problem, not the problem here.
Okay.
For example, here it's XC. See what is a statement given here? A lower value is placed only once to the left of a bigger value. Means while you are subtracting, when a lower value is placed left of a bigger value, what does it means actually? It means that we have to subtract that lower value from the bigger value. And always remember this thing very carefully. Only once you have to write that lower value while replacing it left side, you have to write it only for once only, not more than that. Got it? Lower value should be placed before, means left of a bigger value, and that lower value should be placed only for once, not like right side part, not like addition. In addition, see, for the before statement, these values have been repeated here, right? Repeated. Yes, but regarding this subtraction, when you place a smaller value left side, you have to place for only one time, not more than that. Who are in unmute? Once mute yourself, children. It's XC, means how much? Bigger value should be taken first. From that you have to subtract the smaller value. You'll be getting 90. So the value of XC is how much? It's 90. Let us take CD. What is the value of D? It's 500. Minus C value is 100. So you'll be getting 400. Make it fast, children. I'll move to the next page. You people can continue from the same space, but I'll be going to the next page after this. Make it fast. Some more points to remember. V and L are never subtracted. Means you should not place this V or L to the left of any of the values. I can be subtracted from V and X only. I can be subtracted from V and X only. That means we can place this I left of V or X but not for the other values. See, you can see like this form of Roman numbers. You can see like this form of Roman numbers, but you can't see this kind of Roman numerals, right? See, it is how much? IC means if you think it as 100 minus 1, 99. 100 minus 1 is 99, but you have another standard numeral for it. For 99, how you are going to write, children? Place X left to it, how much it becomes? It's 90. And if you place 9 again to its right side, it becomes 99, but not IC or ID. Only I is placed in before X or V, but not for the other numerals. Remember this. Shishira. Any doubt, Shishira? Ritvik, any doubt? Next. V and L are never repeated. Are never.
మేడం స్క్రీన్ వస్తలేదు మేడం.
మ్యామ్ మిగతా పిల్లలందరూ కనిపిస్తుందంట. అదేమన్నా మీ ప్రాబ్లం అయి ఉండొచ్చు మ్యామ్ డివైస్ లో. మిగతా వాళ్ళందరూ క్లియర్ గానే కనిపిస్తుంది.
అవునా?
చూడండి మ్యామ్, ఒకసారి చెక్ చేసుకోండి.
ఓకే.
V and L are never repeated. Got it, children? These are the rules. V and L are never repeated means you should not repeat this for even for 2 times also. Remember, for the other Roman numerals, just now I have explained you that you can repeat those Roman numerals for 3 times, but not more than 3 times, I said, no? But for V and L, these letters will not be repeated at all. Only once you should place these Roman numerals. Got it? V and L, remember, you will not be getting like XBV or XLL or LX LL, like this way, you will not be finding this kind of Roman numerals. Let us go to the course book part, children. Once open course book page 10. If we have time, you can do it now. Otherwise, I'll be explaining you how to do. And after that, you people, what is today's homework? Once let us discuss first regarding today's homework. Then let us go to the classwork part in the course book itself. All of you once open your course books. Page 6. Page number 6. Open page number 6. Here, the values of Hindu-Arabic numerals given in Roman numerals started from 1 to 200, right? These things you have to write at home. It is a homework part given to you, okay? You have to write the Roman numerals from 1 to 100, 200. Now come to page 10. First bit already it has been completed, right? Round off to the nearest as instructed. Let me try in the screen, children. If I get, I'll be explaining you by showing it. Ritvik, any doubt? You have raised your hand.
No, ma'am. I don't have doubt, but I can't see anything, ma'am.
You can't see anything. You don't have course book also?
I have, ma'am.
Open it. Course book you open once. I'll explain you the bits, okay? With the things which you have to do now, that I'm going to explain it now. Open page 10. Good morning, ma'am. Substitution. 4 periods continuous ఉన్నాయి నాకు ఇవాళ. చేయలేదు. అదే ప్రిన్సిపల్ మేడంకి చెప్పాను చేద్దామని. 5th పీరియడ్, 6th పీరియడ్, 5th క్లాస్ 6th పీరియడ్. తెలుగు పాస్వర్డ్ తెరిచాను. Children will be getting again 5th period, not 6th period, last period again. We can continue in that period also. Once let me try whether I can able to show you the screen which I have taken some pics of this course book part. I'm trying it, children. Okay, let me once explain this course book part. If I can able to show you the page, I'll show you later. Listen, page 10. Page 10, second bit. Write the following in Roman numerals. Look at the course book, all of you. Second bit. Write the following in Roman numerals. It is given the word number name, right? Let us do all those in the next class, in the 6th period. Once let me check. Has stopped at the shade window is closed. 289. Actually, I'll be just showing you. Don't write anything. Let us do it later afterwards in the next period. See, it's 289. How you will be writing that in the Roman, in Hindu Arabic numeral form? It's 289. See, for writing this into Roman form, what you people have to do? Let us expand it according to their place values. Okay, how much you got? 200 plus 80 plus 9. 200 can be written as C and C. Right, children? 80 you already know. It's L, X, X, X. And its 9 is IX. How you have to write then? C, C, L, X, 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 I, X. It's 259. L plus 30 is, sorry, 80. 80 plus 9 is 89. 289. Got it, children? How to do? How to write the Roman numerals into the number name form? Next one. It's 1038. How you can write this? 1038 can be written like this in the Hindu Arabic numeral form. If you expand this, what you will be getting? 100 plus 30 plus 8. 100 value is C. 30 value is triplex. And 8. Got it? It's C, X, 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 B, I, I. It's 138. Okay, children? Let us end till now for this period. Let us continue in the 6th period, last period again.